What if I told you that you could start making money with AI today? No coding, no fancy gear, and no skills needed. In this video, I'll show you 10 real AI tools that people are using to earn $50 to $100 a day, or even more. Let's jump in. 1. ChatGPT, your AI business partner. ChatGPT can write emails, blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions, almost anything. You can go on Fiverr or Upwork and offer writing gigs, even if you've never done it before. Just ask ChatGPT to write an article, edit it a bit, and deliver it to your client. Some people charge $20 per blog post. Do 5 a day. That's $100. 2. Canva AI, sell stunning designs. You don't need to be a designer to make money with Canva's AI features. Use their magic design tool to create social media posts, business cards, YouTube thumbnails in minutes. Then sell your designs on Fiverr or Etsy, or offer to manage Instagram pages for small businesses, and use Canva to do it fast. 3. ElevenLabs, AI voiceovers that sound real. This tool turns text into ultra-realistic voiceovers. You can create YouTube voiceovers, TikTok narrations, or audiobook samples, even in different voices. Set up a gig offering AI voiceover services. You don't need to talk, just type. Some freelancers charge $30 per 1-minute voiceover. 4. Pictory. Make videos without showing your face. Want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face? Pictory converts text into full videos using stock footage and AI voices. Write a script with ChatGPT, run it through Pictory, and boom, faceless video ready to upload. Some channels earn thousands this way. You can do the same. 5. Leonardo AI, create and sell digital art. Leonardo AI is amazing for making unique, high-quality images. You can sell the art as posters, t-shirts, stickers, or NFTs, all from your phone. Platforms like Redbubble or Teespring let you upload your design and they do the rest. You just earn from every sale. 6. Notion AI, create and sell digital products. With Notion AI, you can build productivity templates, planners, or habit trackers and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Students, remote workers, and entrepreneurs are buying these every day. Make it once, sell it forever. That's passive income. 7. Copy.ai, offer AI-powered writing services. Copy.ai helps you create ad copy, website content, social captions, and even email marketing templates. Business owners don't have time to write all that, but you can do it with AI. You can charge $50 for a single page of website content. Just use Copy.ai and tweak it a little. 8. Opus Clip, turn long videos into viral shorts. This tool finds the most viral moments in long videos and cuts them into TikToks, Shorts, or Reels. Offer this as a service to YouTubers, podcasters, or content creators. You just upload their video, let Opus Clip do the work, and deliver the finished shorts. Short editors are in high demand, and you don't even need editing skills. 9. Durable.co, build websites without coding. This AI tool builds a full website in under a minute. Seriously, you can use it to start a mini website business. Offer websites to freelancers, barbers, restaurants, anyone local. Just ask them what they want, type it into Durable, and deliver. Charge $50 to $150 per site, and it only takes minutes. 10. Synthesia, create videos using AI avatars. This tool lets you create professional videos using AI-generated presenters. You just write the script, and it does the rest. It's great for creating product demos, training videos, or explainer content for small businesses. And businesses are willing to pay $100 or more per video because it saves them time and money. So, which one will you try first? You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need expensive gear. You just need an idea and the right AI tool. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy ways to use AI to make money online. See you in the next video.